Hello and welcome back to another video on Yuvan's tech tutorial. Today we're going to be teaching you how to delete videos on Facebook. First, go ahead and open your Facebook application. Now, if you've just posted a video, then it will show up on your news feed. And beside this post, you'll be able to see the three dotted icon. Simply tap on it. Under this, you'll be able to see the option of delete. Tap on it. Now confirm that you want to delete this post or delete this video from your Facebook. Tap on delete, and this video will be deleted from your timeline. However, if it has been a while since you posted a video, you'll simply go ahead and tap on your profile picture that appears below the home button. Now scroll down and you'll be able to see the video you posted. Beside the video, you'll follow the same steps. Go ahead and tap on the three dotted icon. Under this icon, you'll be able to see move to trash option with a bin icon. Tap on it and tap on move. After that, your video will be deleted from your Facebook page, and this is how you can delete your video from Facebook. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.